So here is the final verdict of the instrument cluster. I ended up buying one out of a 16, I believe it was, XLT. And I actually really like it because it's got a silver trim around the gauges. So that looks really sharp and kind of ties into Fiddy's body color and all that. So here we go. I'll let y'all check it out. I'm fighting glare with the camera here, but you can see the silver trim ring there. Went with the blue needle, so thank you for everybody who gave me suggestions on what your preference was, and they do look real sharp in here, all lit up. And the cool thing now is I get a splash screen when I start the truck. So instead of just turning on, they have the splash screen, which is a sharper look, a little bit more modern. So real happy with that. And we're going to take her for a spin around the block, go grab some lunch. Rub it a little bit coming out, always. All right, so there's the final product. I think it turned out real good. Hope you guys like it as well. And you may not have noticed, but I went ahead and programmed the mileage on the cluster to be accurate for what Fiddy has on her, not obviously what the powertrain has on it. The engine has, I think it was about 13,000 miles on it, 14,000 miles. And then, so in case anybody was wanting to know, Fiddy has 111,000 miles on her. And yeah, since I was going to have to update the cluster anyways, to be accurate, I figured I might as well go ahead and update it to the mileage that the truck actually has on it, which makes it a little bit better in the eyes of the law for as custom as she is. So in case you got an eagle-eyed viewer that saw the mileage suddenly went from 14 to 111, that was intentional. So anyways, we're gonna go grab some lunch real quick, and when we get done with lunch, we'll test out the tachometer, make sure that works, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, let's test out the tachometer and see if it works. Pretty good, but I think we can do better than that. Yeah, that worked out pretty well. She still got it in her. 20 years old, she scoots pretty nicely. Plenty happy with that. here's a better view of the cluster without all the glare. So, the silver trim rings, like I said, I think it looks real sharp. Matches the truck nicely, matches the paddles real nicely. Still need to go back and fix the up paddle for some reason. And yeah, overall, I think the cluster came out really nicely.